Good morning, Prep 2. Today we are going to make a general revision. Write the scientific term. Number 1, table in which elements are arranged according to their atomic numbers. Moseley periodic table. Elements of group 0, noble gases. A group of elements found in the middle of the periodic table, transition elements. The first real periodic table for classifying elements, Mendeleev periodic table. The most metallic element, cesium. The measuring unit of atomic radius, picometer. Elements have the properties of metals and non-metals, metalloids. The strongest non-metallic element, fluorine. Oxides which dissolve in water forming alkali, basic oxide. A series in which metals are arranged in descending order according to their chemical activity. Chemical activity series. Non-metallic oxides. The answer, acidic oxide. Number 12, valency of alkali metals, monovalent. 13, the boiling point of liquefied nitrogen, negative 196. 14, the hottest atmospheric layer, thermosphere. 15, the region between mesosphere and thermosphere, mesopause. 16, two magnetic belts scatter cosmic radiations away from the Earth, Van Allen belts. 17, phenomena that appears due to scattering of harmful charged radiations by Van Allen, aurora. 18, a unit for measuring ozone degree, Dobson. 19, a type of ultraviolet radiations that is absorbed completely by the ozone layer, far ultraviolet. 20, thinning or losing parts of the ozone layer, ozone hole or erosion of ozone. 21, the continuous increase of the average temperature of air near the surface of the Earth, global warming. 22, a type of radiation that causes increase of temperature of troposphere, infrared. 23, oxides that cause ozone hole and resulting from burning of fuel of conquered planes, nitrogen oxide. 24, dying of all members of species of living organisms, extinction. 25, safe area to protect species that face danger in their homeland, natural protectorate. 26, the best world heritage for whale's skeleton, Wadi Hitan. 27, the positive pole in Hoffman's voltameter, anode. 28, apparatus used in water electrolysis, Hoffman voltameter. 29, the shape of ice crystals, hexagonal. 30, compounds, most of them dissolve in water, ionic compounds. 31, a kind of water pollutant arises from natural phenomena, natural pollutant. 32, a water pollutant causes death of brain cells, lead. Traces and remains of old living organisms, fossil. Fossils formed by replacement of wood by silica part by part with keeping in shape without changing, petrified wood, replacing part by part the wood materials of trees by silica to form petrified wood? The answer is petrification. Question number 2. Mention the importance of the following. Number 1. Ozone layer. Protect us from harmful ultraviolet rays. Silicon. Electronics as computer. Barometer. Measure atmospheric pressure. Altimeter. Measure the elevation in aeroplanes. Aneroid. Measure the day weather. 6. Van Allen belts scatter cosmic rays away from Earth. Liquefied nitrogen preserve eye cornea at low boiling point -196. Liquefied sodium absorb heat from nuclear reactors, and this heat used to generate electricity. Ionosphere wireless communications as they reflect radio waves. Hofmann's voltameter used in water electrolysis. Question number 3. Mention the causes of each of the following. Recent extinction. The reasons of recent extinction: overhunting, climate change, environmental pollution, overgrazing. Old extinction: meteorites, long ice age, earth movement, poison gases from volcano. Question number 4. Give reasons. Number 1. Stopping manufacturing Concorde airplanes because they produce nitrogen oxide that damage ozone layer. Number 2. Increasing carbon dioxide gas in atmosphere due to cutting trees, burning fuel, and burning forests. 3. Infrared cannot penetrate the Earth's atmosphere because it has long wavelength. Number 4. Mesosphere is the coldest layer because the temperature decreases until it reaches -90. Number 5. Pilots prefer to fly their planes in stratosphere because there is no weather phenomena and the air moves horizontal. Number 6. The upper part of thermosphere is called ionosphere because it contains charged ions. 7. Luminous meteors are formed in mesosphere layer due to friction with air molecules. 8. Sodium and potassium are kept under the surface of kerosene to avoid reaction with moist air because they are very active metals. 9. Elements of group 1 are called alkali metals because when they react with water they form alkaline solution. 10. Cesium is the most active metal in the periodic table because it has the largest atomic size. 11. Elements of the same group have similar properties because they have the same number of electrons in their outermost shell. 12. Pure water has no effect on litmus paper because water has equal hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. 13. The high boiling point of water due to the presence of hydrogen bond between its molecules. 14. Adding few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to water during its electrolysis by Hofmann's voltameter because pure water is bad conductor of electricity When adding sulfuric acid, it makes water good conductor of electricity. 15. Ice floats on water surface because density of ice is less than density of water. 16. We shouldn't keep the tap water in plastic bottles because plastic reacts with chlorine causing cancer. 17. It is dangerous to eat fish containing high concentration of lead because lead damage the brain cells. 18. During electrolysis of acidified water, oxygen evolves at anode while hydrogen at cathode because oxygen has negative charge while hydrogen carry positive charge. 19. Amber is considered a suitable medium for formation of complete bodies fossils because amber prevents the body of insect from decay and it makes a complete body fossil. 20. The petrified woods are considered from fossils although they look like rocks because it was an old plant. 21. Mammoth fossil is preserved as a complete body because mammoths buried immediately in snow after death so the body doesn't decay. Thank you for listening.